Today we're going to make ice cream, and it's going to be rainbow ice cream.
Okay, I'll have to get the food colourants out. Hi, I'm Susan and this is Iona, and we're going to show you how to make ice cream without buying any. It's not ice cream, but it tastes just like it. Right, okay, so the ingredients you need are a banana, preferably quite ripe. I would allow maybe one banana per person. We're going to share this because we only have one banana. Some yogurt. It could be vegan yogurt, it could be dairy yogurt, or it could be kefir, which is in between the consistency of milk and yogurt. And if you're using kefir, it's a little bit sour, so you might want to add a spoonful of honey as well. But if you're using a sweetened yogurt, I definitely wouldn't add any other sweetener. Right, so first things first. Get some kind of container, probably like a Tupperware, anything as long as it has a lid. This is a little kid's bowl, which has a lid, so that's perfect. And we're going to mash the banana into the bowl, yeah? Are you going to help? Give it a mash. Okay, so we've mashed the banana. Now we're going to pour in a little bit of yogurt, or a couple of spoonfuls if it's thicker. I'm going to mix that in now. Give it a bit of a mix. Okay.
Now what?
Now, 1 spoonful of honey. You want to pour that in?
Now can you lick the spoon?
Just a minute, you can. Mash it up to a sort of pulpy consistency. Do we want to make it colourful? Alright, we're going to put some colours in. Okay, so we're going to try and put a little bit of colour on one side.
Rainbow though. Rainbow ice cream.
I don't think we're going to manage to actually do rainbows, but we could swirl different colours through it. Do you want to do that? Yeah? Okay. We're back. So the memory card on my phone filled up while we were creating the rainbow effect. So we did a little bit of food colouring.
So, be doing this ice cream.
Yeah, and this is now out of the freezer. Are you going to try it?
Mhm. And good.
Yeah? Should we do it again? No! Why not?
Because I don't want to.
You just want to eat it?
Mhm.
Okay. Can I have a bit?
Yep.
And there you have it. Ice cream, or fake ice cream, made from
Here you
stuff you probably, oh thank you, stuff you probably already have in the cupboard. Do you want to say bye?